Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Devi Puspitasari, but you can call me Devi. Today I would like to present my poster in academic listening course, and I choose the video from platform YouTube, and the channel is TEDx Talks, published on 7 January 2015, and the title is The Powerful of Listening by William Ury. So there are some table of content such as academy summary, main idea of per section, key technical terms, and then attitude and tone of the speaker, and the last is brief conclusion. So the first one is academy summary. This video discusses the importance of listening in communication and negotiation. The speaker emphasized that even though we live in an age of constant communication from telephone calls and text message to social media, true listening is often overlooked. Even though it is essential for understanding others, building our trust, and reaching agreements. Through real-life examples such as political negotiation with the president of Venezuela and business disputes in Brazil, William Ury, as the speaker, demonstrated how sincere listening can diffuse conflict and open the way of the solution. The speaker have the goals, and the goals of the speaker is to emphasize listening as a practical skill that strengthen empathy, relationship, and cooperation. So the main idea per section. First, introduction, philosophy of negotiation. The speaker introduced negotiation from a philosophical perspective by questioning whether communication truly exists without listening. And the speaker say, if a person speaks and offers a TED talk, for example, and no one listen, is the real communication? This idea shows that negotiation is not only about speaking or arguing, but about being heard and then understood through listening. The next is section 1 about importance of listening. The speaker emphasized that listening is often ignored in modern communication, and the speaker explained that although we live in the age of communication, there is very little of listening because of distraction. And the speaker highlighted that value of listening in negotiation by stating the successful negotiators listen more than they talk, and showing that listening is a key factor in reaching agreement. The section second is about listening careful and its impact. In this section, the speaker explained that listening carefully can change the direction of a conversation by giving full attention and allowing others to express their thoughts and their emotion. And listening also help reduce tension and build our trust. This careful listening often makes people more open and then willing to cooperate, and leading to better outcomes in negotiation and communication. So the next is section 3 about challenges of listening. The speaker explained that listening is challenging because our minds are often filled with distraction and emotional noise. And the speaker stated there is so much noise and distraction that we don't have the mental and emotional space to be able to truly listen to other side. And the speaker also emphasized the importance of self-awareness by saying that we need to listen to ourselves first in order to clear our minds. So this show that effective listening requires controlling internal reaction before we can truly listen to others people. And the last is about conclusion. The vision of listening revolution. At the end of the talk, the speaker shared his dream or his goals about listening is a listening revolution. And the speaker say a listening revolution that can turn this age of communication into an age of listening. The speaker explained that this revolution should begin in every context, such as in families or school, organization, or in leadership. According to the speaker, when people feel guidedly heard and they are more likely to listen in return, creating a positive chain reaction. And listening can help reduce misunderstanding and then prevent conflict and strengthen a human relationship. Ultimately, the speaker believed that adopting a culture of listening can contribute to a more peaceful and cooperative world. So the next we talk about key technical terms. First is negotiation. In the context of this video, negotiation is the process of finding a successful agreement through listening, not just talking. And the speaker showed that by understanding the need of other side, conflict can be solved more effectively. So the second is listening. In this video, listening means giving full attention to others, including understanding their emotion and needs behind the word. And listening in this way helps build understanding and opens the way to solution. Next is report. Report in the context of the video is a relationship of mutual trust that is formed when a person feels heard and valued. The speaker show that by listening secretly, relationship becomes stronger and then the communication more open. So the last is the listening revolution. The listening revolution is an idea of culture change presented by the speaker, William Ury, where listening becomes a primary habit in communication. According to William Ury as the speaker, if listening is applied in families, education, or in leadership, conflict can be reduced and social relationship can be improved. So the next we talk about speaker tone and attitude. The speaker demonstrate confidence and persuasiveness during his presentation by using his personal experience and real life example to emphasize the importance of listening. And the speaker tone of voice was informative and calm, so making it easy to audience understand and interesting. When recounting his experience with president, his patient attitude and then respect for other side demonstrate emotional intelligence. The speaker also used humor to create a atmosphere more relaxed and like he has a connect with the audience. And however, when discussing serious context such as about a politic on conflict, his tone becomes more serious. And at the end, the speaker share his vision of a listening revolution. He explained it in a optimistic tone that motivated the audience to make listening an important skill in their daily life. So the last is brief conclusion. There is a key message and academic relevance. Okay, the first is key message. Listening is a fundamental skill for effective communication and successful negotiation. And for academic relevance, the ability to listen sincerely enables individuals to understand others, build our trust, and resolve conflict. This skill is essential in communication and social studies as it contributes to stronger relationship and the creation of more peaceful society. So guys, I think that's all from my presentation. Thank you for your attention. Thank you for your listening. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.